Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Carlos and I will be giving further details about my rectifier and voltage regulator circuit. Let's go. So the first thing I want to say is that I am not going to use the configuration of the circuit I showed you in the previous video. I'm only going to use the diode bridge, the capacitor and the center diode, because to get a 5 volts rectified and regulated voltage at the output of my circuit, I need a lower speed of the wheel, because there are some losses in the circuit, energy loss, and if I use more components, if I use the LM317T voltage regulator circuit, I need a higher wheel speed to get these 5 volts at the output. The first thing I want to show you is the output of the diode bridge. The yellow one is the signal coming from the Shimano generator and the blue one is the rectified signal. There you see, here we have energy loss. The blue signal cannot reach the yellow one because the diode burns some energy. Next thing is the capacitor, the output signal of the capacitor. Here we have a flatter signal, flatter than the signal coming from the diode bridge. This could be a full wave rectifier, and you will see that the capacitor takes its time to discharge. You'll see that the output signal slowly goes back to 0 volts. If I spin the wheel, gets back to around 8 or 10 volts. So this is the output of the capacitor. Here is a curious fact, and you see the blue line belongs to the capacitor, and if I attach a resistor to the pins of the capacitor, it begins to discharge faster. Look, and now I remove the resistor and it stops. Attach the resistor. Now you see, begins to discharge rapidly. If I remove the resistor, stops. Back in. That's what a resistor does, burn energy. Now if I plug in the center diode, you see the signal will not go up 5 volts. The signal stops at 5 volts. If I remove the center diode, goes up. You see the drop in voltage. One thing I wanted to tell you is I'm not going to use the LM317 as I said before, because as you see, this signal is quite flat, and with slow speed of the wheel I can get 5 volts, but if I use the LM31 I need higher speed of the wheel, and now I'll show you the signal using this LM317 circuit. Well, now I'll show you the output signal of the circuit using the LM317-2. You see the signal is slightly flatter than without using it, using only the center diode. But the disadvantage I told you before is I need a higher speed of the bicycle wheel to get these 5 volts, because these extra components burn some energy, and I don't need a signal so flat. Is for me is enough what I got out of the center diode without using it. So that's why I am not going to use this circuit and this configuration, but I wanted to show you that you could do it too. Well, I hope you've learned something new. I will be uploading more videos about my project, about more details, about the box I'm going to put everything into, and I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. Thanks for watching.